Today, New Delhi isn't just the capital of India, it's the capital of the digital world. It's February 19, 2026, and day 4 of the India AI Impact Summit just reached its peak. In the past, whenever a disruptive technology like the internet or computers arrived, there was always a fear that India would be left behind or jobs would vanish. But today, PM Modi stood at Bharat Mandapam and sent a clear message to the world. India harbors no fear. We see our destiny in AI. This is a massive viral context moment because for the first time, India is hosting the first ever global AI summit in the global south. We aren't just users anymore. With global giants like Sam Altman and Sundar Pichai in the front row, India is setting the rules for human-centric AI. In the breakdown, we will look at the past of these tech fears, the present viral moments, including a major robot dog controversy and the future for your career. Let's dive in. It's not all handshakes and high fives at Bharat Mandapam. The biggest viral drama today involves one of North India's biggest private institutions, Galgotias University. Here is the context. At the heart of the National AI Expo, the university showcased a sleek, four-legged robotic dog named Orion. A professor even went on national TV claiming it was developed by their Center of Excellence with a 350 crore rupees investment. But the internet never sleeps. Within minutes, tech geeks identified it as the unitary go-to, a commercially available robot made in China that anyone can buy online for 2-3 lakh rupees. The government's reaction was brutal. To protect the integrity of the Make in India mission, organizers literally cut the power to the Galgotias stall and asked them to pack their bags and leave. Today, February 19, the news has taken another turn. Professor Neha Singh, who made the viral claim, has officially resigned. Why is this valuable for you? Because in 2026, transparency is more important than tech. If you are a student or a startup, don't try to pass off imported hardware as indigenous innovation. The government is watching and the internet is faster than any robot. Let's move to breakdown and see how the real innovators are doing it. After the Robo-Dog drama, let's talk about something real. 2 hours ago, the government launched Project MANAV. No, it's not a new robot. It's the constitutional guardrails for artificial intelligence. In the past, tech companies followed the motto, move fast and break things. But with AI, if you break things, you break lives. PM Modi made it clear today that India's AI will be manocentric, meaning it must be ethical, transparent and unbiased. Here is the viral context. Most AI models today are biased against non-Western cultures. MANAV ensures that if an AI is used for a web or job interviews or a bank loan in India, it can't discriminate based on your caste, religion or language. It's about building trust into the code. Why is this valuable for you? Because if you are a developer or a businessman in 2026, your AI must be MANAV compliant to get government funding or global contracts. India is telling the world, we won't just build the smartest AI, we will build the most human AI. This is the blueprint for the next decade. It's one thing to have big dreams, but it's another to have the cash to back them up. Today at the AI Summit, we are seeing exactly how India is funding its next 50 years. In the past, India's research spending was quite low compared to the US or China. But that just changed. The government has operationalized the 1 lakh crore rupees RDI fund under the Anusandhan National Research Foundation ANRF. This is basically rocket fuel for deep tech startups. Here is the viral updates. Just yesterday, Google DeepMind officially partnered with ANRF. They aren't just bringing money, they are giving Indian researchers access to their most advanced AI models like AlphaFold, which can predict the structure of proteins and solve diseases that have stumped us for decades. Why is this valuable for you? Because this fund isn't just for big companies, it's designed to crowd in private investment for high risk, high impact projects. If you are a student or a deep tech founder in 2026, you now have access to low interest, long term financing that simply didn't exist before. We are moving from being a service economy to an innovation economy. The money is here, the tools is here. The question is, are you ready to build? If you think AI is only for people in AC offices, look at this. On February 17, right in the middle of the AI summit, the government launched Bharat-VISTAAR. It's basically a digital agriculture expert that lives in your phone. In the past, if a farmer's crop turned yellow, they had to wait for an officer to visit or ask a local middleman. Not anymore. Now they just dial 155261. They don't even need a smartphone or internet. They can talk to Bharti, the built-in AI assistant, in their own language. Bharti isn't just a bot. She is linked to the AgriStack, a massive database of 11 crore farmers. She knows your soil health. She knows the exact mandi prices from AgMarkNet, and she even predict pest attacks using the National Pest Surveillance System. Why is this viral? Because it's your voice first. A farmer can literally ask Bharti what is the best time to sow mustard in my village, and they get a science-backed answer instantly. It's starting in Hindi and English, but will hit 11 regional language in 6 months. This is how we move from slogans to solutions for 49 crore Indians. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, your career. While some billionaires at the summit are warning that traditional BPO and IT services might vanish in 5 years, Mukesh Ambani just made a massive counter statement today. He said AI will not take away jobs. It will create new high-skill opportunities. Here is the viral truth for 2026. In the past, we were software engineers. Today, we are becoming AI orchestrators. NASSCOM reports that India's AI workforce is set to double to 12.5 lakh professionals by next year. We aren't seeing mass layoffs. We are seeing a mass reskilling. Why is this valuable for you? Because roles like prompt engineers, MLOps specialists, and AI policy analysts are seeing a hiring rate that is 30% higher than traditional tech roles. Even if you are not a coder, AI fluency, the ability to use tools like Gemini or specialized LLMs, is adding a 20% premium to salaries across marketing, finance, and HR. The message from Bharat Mandapam today is simple. AI won't replace you, but a person using AI might. Don't fear the machine, learn to lead it. The Viksit Bharat of 2026 needs creators, not just keyboard operators. So, here is the final viral verdict from day 4. If you thought Jio changed your life with cheap data in 2016, wait until you see what Mukesh Ambani announced just a few hours ago. He has committed a staggering 10 lakh crore rupees to the Jio intelligence mission. His message was bold. India can't afford to rent intelligence. In the past, we paid Western companies for software and cloud. In the future, Reliance is building a sovereign compute infrastructure right here in Jamnagar, Gujarat. They are launching multi-gigawatt AI-ready data centers with the first 120 megawatts going live in late 2026. But here is the part that matters for your pocket. Ambani promised to slash the cost of intelligence just like he slashed the cost of data. He called AI the modern day Akshaya Patra, a vessel of limitless knowledge and productivity for every Indian. My final verdict, the viral context of 2026 is that AI is becoming a public utility, not a luxury. Whether it's Jio Arogya for your health or Jio Shiksha for your exams, the intelligence era is officially here. If you are ready for an Atmanirbhar AI future,